Welcome to the world's smallest art gallery. Every single part of these paintings, apart from the frames, was done using one of our lasers. Seriously, this started as 3 pieces of blank stainless steel, which by using the right settings and by using the right tech, we were able to turn into this incredibly tiny art gallery. The detail is astonishing, the colors are really vibrant, and even more than the paintings themselves, just underneath each painting is a small plaque with a piece of text that says what the painting is and who it was by. And by our best measurement, that text is just 0.3 millimeters high.
Oh, right.
So you can still read it as well.
Yeah, that is
Obviously,
really...
You can never read that with your eyes.
No,
that's the whole
I couldn't read. I can just about read that.
So why did I do this? Well, this year we celebrate 30 years of Lotus Laser. 30 years of innovation and perfection to try and get our laser tech to be the best it can possibly be. And I wanted to make something that shows you guys just how capable our lasers are. The incredible level of detail, the vibrancy of the colors, the quality of the engraving, it's all only possible because of this tech that you see behind me in this room. This was done exclusively on a 30-watt MOPA fiber laser. If you are looking for a laser machine, this is the quality that our lasers can achieve. There is another reason as well, but we'll come back to that later. Every single picture you can see here is only 10 millimeters across. There is a complimentary eyeglass for those of you looking to see with a bit more detail, but please gather in and come and admire the world's tiniest art gallery. Amazingly, this was not that difficult to put together. Because the way that you make the colors is by just changing the parameters of the laser, all I had to do was take the paintings and separate them into their different colors. So I know this bit's light blue, this bit's dark blue, this bit's green, and then just tell the laser to mark those areas with those different settings. Once you have those settings saved into Lotus Mark, you can then click on something else and apply the exact same settings. It's just a 1-button click, and suddenly this will be blue and this will be green. And of course, I have to give a huge thank you to our dedicated in-house applications team, because they take the time to look at what settings will be best to get the best results out of something like stainless steel. It is the combination of the tech and the knowledge that makes something like this possible.
We started the business with a passion. That was 30 years ago, and the passion still remains. The enthusiasm's even greater. It's all made possible by the people that I employ, by you people. So thank you to all the people that have been past, all the people that are present, and maybe some of the people that are to come. That you share in my passion and enthusiasm for the business is what makes it so successful. Thank you.
So I said there was another reason I wanted to do this, and it's because of something one of our field engineers told me. He was out servicing one of our machines, but he was also helping the customer with a different laser machine that they had in their workshop. And when he was trying something, he couldn't get the hatch, which is how far apart the lines are that the laser draws. He couldn't get it smaller than 0.02 mil. And for context, I mean, that sounds pretty small, but the paintings in this gallery, most of them are hatched at 10 or 20 times smaller than that. So he turns to the guy and he says, well, it's really weird. The software won't let me go below 0.02 mil. Like, is there a reason for this? And the customer said, why would you need to? He had no idea. He had absolutely no idea that there was a whole load of creativity, of new possibilities, of new ways of engraving things that he did not have access to because the machine wouldn't let him. And that's the other reason I wanted to make this gallery, is because after 30 years of creating and refining and perfecting to get it to the point where it can make something like this, I want to make that point, that Lotus lasers have never been designed and will never be designed to hold you back. We are only going forward.